In this video, I show you how to fix WhatsApp music search no result found problem. You can see that no result found. For fixing this, go to Play Store, search WhatsApp, click on WhatsApp, update your WhatsApp app. Now go to settings, then go to apps, and click on WhatsApp, click on force stop, click on OK. Now click on storage and cache, clear cache. Now open WhatsApp. Now click on add status. Now click on music. Now search. Now I hope that this method fix WhatsApp music search no result found problem.